Hi, friends. Welcome to Toddler Learning ABC, where we learn and play.
A is for apple, red, green, and yellow, so sweet to eat. B is for banana, yellow and green, it's a healthy treat. C is for cucumber, crunchy and cool, it's so fresh and neat. D is for date, small and brown, chewy and sweet. E is for eggplant, purple and smooth, it's a tasty treat. F is for fig, sweet and juicy, soft and neat. G is for grape, purple or green, a delicious little treat. H is for honeydew, juicy and sweet, it's a melon we love to eat. I is for ice cream, cold and creamy, a yummy treat. J is for jackfruit, big and green with a sweet, fruity beat. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green with a tangy sweet treat. L is for lemon, yellow and tart, it's refreshing to eat. M is for mango, juicy and sweet, it's a tropical treat. N is for nectarine, soft and sweet, it's a summer treat. O is for orange, bright and sweet, it's a citrus treat. P is for pineapple, spiky and sweet, it's a tropical treat. Q is for quince, yellow and tart, it's fun to eat. R is for raspberry, small and red, a berry sweet treat. S is for strawberry, juicy and sweet, red and neat. T is for tomato, red and round, tasty and neat. U is for ugly fruit, green and bumpy, a citrus treat to eat. V is for vanilla, sweet and smooth, a flavor we adore. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet, it's a summer treat. X is for Xigua, a name for watermelon, it's sweet to eat. Y is for yums, orange and sweet, so soft and neat. Z is for zucchini, green and mild, in salads, it's a treat.